Want to automate low power mode on your iPhone? Here's how. Launch the Shortcuts app from the home screen of your iPhone. Tap on the Automation tab located at the bottom of the screen. Press the plus button in the top right corner to create a new automation. Scroll through the list and select Battery Level from the available triggers. Adjust the battery level slider to your chosen percentage by moving it left or right. For instance, set it to 40% if you'd like low power mode to engage at that level. Select the condition for activating low power mode. Opt for equals 40% so it turns on precisely when your battery reaches that percentage. Choose the Run Immediately option. This will ensure low power mode activates without needing additional confirmation, streamlining the process. Tap the Next button located at the top right corner to proceed with setting up your action. Search for Set Low Power Mode using the search bar at the top of the action page, and then tap on it to add it to your automation. Ensure the action is set to On, confirming that low power mode will engage under the specified condition. Press Done in the top right corner of the screen to save and activate your new automation. Want to automatically turn off low power mode? Repeat the initial steps by launching the Shortcuts app and navigating to the Automation tab. Create a new automation by pressing the plus button. Select battery level and set the trigger to rises above 40% this time. Add the Set Low Power Mode action once again, just like before. Change the action setting from on to off, so low power mode will disable itself once the battery level goes above 40%. You're now equipped with intelligent battery handling. Subscribe for more useful tips.